na Kevin from high school na nakita ko yung improvement niya ng college. Siyempre, on my part, gusto mo, kung sino kasama mo ng high school sana, makasama mo lahat. Pati ka, siyempre, yung situation, hindi naman talagang ganun kadali mabuo yung team from high school to college. I've seen them all grow from high school to college. On my part, mas masaya akong makita eh. And yun naman kasi ang goal, no? Pag galing kang high school. Yung pag-uusapan yung ng mga players would be, hopefully one day makakit sila sa higher level, to the pros. Seeing them play even against each other, or some of their teammates play for other teams, being able to play at this level, nakakatuwa talaga for us coaches. Kasi yun naman ang ultimate goal namin for them.